We are back at the 1984 mobile home property today, and I'm ready to gut the kitchen once and for all. Last time we demoed all the cabinets, took all the appliances out. Now we have an empty shell. Today is getting the walls and the ceiling and everything cleaned out so that we can start fresh. And this will end the demolition of the house, more or less. Every room gutted. This is our investment property that we are gutting, remodeling, and doing something with.
Yeah.
Right now we are gutting the final room, which was the kitchen. Previously we took all the cabinets, all the appliances out, uncovered all the secret little treasures of the room. Today is just demolition day. We're going to get rid of all the drywall, all the insulation, and the ceiling, and just see what we're working with. Hopefully we don't uncover too much rot. But you might notice during this time lapse, a lot of little things crawling all over the floor. They're hard to spot, but I think you'll see them moving around. And that's because there was a huge carpenter ant nest in the wall. And they didn't just eat into the wood, they literally created tunnels through the fiberglass insulation. So when I ripped that wall open, they just spilled out everywhere. The good news is they're ants. I would rather have ants than termites.
Yeah.
And
they're gone now.
They're gone. As soon as you disturb ants, they're out of here. They don't care.
Yeah.
Since we're getting into the hotter time of year, being June in Florida.
July soon.
Well, I'm working extra fast today because I don't want to spend any more time than I need to. So you got a super fast demolition. I'm just gutting. I'm not even stopping for anything. It's just going to get done quick, and it's like, it's going to be short for you guys. It wasn't too bad for me. It probably took an hour.
Yeah,
to
maybe
gut
a
the
little
room.
over. Not long.
And speaking of how long we took to do this, it's actually pretty amazing how quick we've become at this since starting the first room to the last. We just know what to expect. We just get into it.
Yeah.
The first room was definitely slow because I didn't know how to do the ceiling. The ceiling was the hard part, and now they're a lot easier. And speaking of the ceiling, when I opened up the ceiling, I did notice a couple of sagging trusses, but no broken trusses. So we will have to fix some trusses, which is going to be fun to show you guys. Hopefully we can get them nice and straight again. And also the floor is sagging by the door. We got sags everywhere. This is the worst room of the house, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
So as usual, the kitchen is the worst. Even in our previous mobile home in up north, we had to remove the entire back of the house for the kitchen.
Yeah, it was all open.
So kitchens are always the hard part, I think.
And that's when it was getting cold out. We were working quick.
The good news is we are in Florida, so now we don't have to worry about the cold or the weather. We just work, and we have all year and all the time in the world to do it. So
Yeah.
I'm looking forward to this project. Quick progress has been made gutting this kitchen, as you guys saw. We still have to do the back wall, the blinds, finish that off. This goes under the window.
Oh. That's dumb.
Yeah. Well guys, I think we're gonna call it quits on this one. The room is good enough.
Yeah.
I think I've spent more time chipping away at this wall than I took probably to do the whole kitchen. And it's still got more to do up here. What they did was they put plywood on and then they glued and stapled drywall over it. And it just makes it that much harder to get off because you're hitting all the staples and all the glue and it's slow. But
No.
we'll get it.
Notice how there's no more dog smell anymore?
Oh yeah,
It's completely gone.
it's dusty, but not doggy.
Yeah.
Also, while I've been here today, I've been doing a lot of sweeping, cleaning the floor, getting screws out of the floor, getting wood, carpet strips. I didn't show any of that, but I've been working throughout the whole home just cleaning the floor up.
Yeah.
Just to show you guys, the whole place is pretty empty. There's not much to see. We still got to pull the wires down. We still got to get a lot of insulation out. We still got to pull staples, cut staples all over the studs.
I'm glad we did have enough room in the dumpster for it. So we still have room in it for the outside junk.
They might not know. You have a lot of cleanup to do in the yard. There's a lot of junk hidden and
Plastic junk.
just hidden in the bushes.
Yeah.
We'll do that another day. We'll take you guys along, show you what we find. So, I guess that's all we have for now. Thanks for watching, and until next time, take care.
See ya.